I'm Jeremy Warner, General Contractor with MUSE Residential, and just wanted to do a quick little video about setting expectations through your remodel process. We spend a lot of time with you developing your project with the budget and specifications and talking about sinks and faucets and all those things, and they're super important, but also we feel it's very important to discuss with you the expectations of the project. We'll talk about timeline, and we'll also talk about dealing with inspectors and all of those things. So there's just a few things to kind of be aware of. The project can very well take longer than we initially anticipate. We're gonna maybe express to you through our meetings that we could have a delay here because of we don't know when the inspector is actually going to show up. Another thing is if you're doing a project over the holidays, those can add some time to the length of the project, and be aware of that. Inspectors, like going back to that real quick, inspectors can come the next morning, or they can take a week to get out there. And then in this current economic climate that we're in, supply chain issues are affecting every industry, and we're not immune to that. So we're going to work with you to help you understand that it's a marathon, not a sprint, and help you keep an eye on the main goal, which is allowing us to help you have a space that you're going to love for a very, very long time. So the process, while it may be a little bit less than perfect, and it may be hard at times, we're right there with you, and we're going to give you the benefit of our experience and make sure that you get through this as painlessly as possible. This is my wife, Wendy. She's our... What are you? I don't even know what you do anymore.